So yesterday, Xiaomi finally announced the Redmi Note 7 and the Redmi Note 7 Pro here in India. Now, if you know Redmi Note 6 Pro, Redmi Note 5 Pro, both the devices had Snapdragon 636 and all the competitors were already using the Snapdragon 660 like the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 or the Realme 2 Pro, although that was underclocked variant, but Xiaomi had to do something, right? Now to do that, they have launched Snapdragon 660 with the Redmi Note 7. I know it is not the Pro version, but it still comes with Snapdragon 660 and the price is just 9,999. So that is quite amazing and I will talk about that whenever I get the device. But for now, in this video, let's talk about the Redmi Note 7 Pro because that device comes with Snapdragon 675, which is obviously better than 660. And it is the second device in India to have Snapdragon 675 and the pricing is just killer in my opinion. For 14,000 rupees, you will get the 4GB RAM with 64GB variant, and for 17,000 rupees, I believe you will get the 6GB RAM variant with 128GB storage. So that is quite a good deal in my opinion. So in this video, let's talk about the Redmi Note 7 Pro. And yeah, without wasting any further time, let's begin. My name is Saurabh Naha. You're watching All About Technologies. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, click that bell icon, be a part of AT fam. And yeah, let's begin quickly. Alright, let's start off with the design. So Redmi Note 7 Pro comes with a glass back or the glass design for the first time, and this is the first Redmi Note device to have this kind of design, which is quite good. And both the glasses used on the front and the back are the Gorilla Glass 5, so it should be quite good for long-term use, although I will test that and I will let you know that in my full review. But for now, it is quite good. It comes with that Aurora design and they have got like three colors: black, red, which looks more like pink, and there is one more color which is blue color. So there are three color options you can choose from that, and all the three colors, in my opinion at least, they look quite good. So I have no complaints when it comes to looks. It looks quite good in my opinion. Now on the front there is a 6.3-inch dot notch display. Yes, you heard it right. Dot notch display is there on the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and it is a full HD plus display. Obviously, it's not Vivo or anything which will give you 720p display. So yes, full HD plus display is over there. And if we talk about on the top, you get headphone jack. Thank God Xiaomi not removing the headphone jack and giving us the headphone jack. So that is there. IR blaster is also still there, although I have never used it, but I know a lot of people use it in malls and whatever to switch off the TV or AC. But yeah, a lot of people use it, so it is there. So that is a nice thing. It also comes with USB Type-C port. Yes, you heard it right, USB Type-C port. And there are very few devices under 15,000 rupees to have USB Type-C port. And Redmi Note 7 Pro is having that. So that's quite a good thing in my opinion. And it supports Quick Charge 4.0. So that is another good thing. So all these things are there on the Redmi Note 7 Pro when it comes to overview, and I'm quite impressed with all these things that they have taken a step ahead in terms of design, as well as they have given USB Type-C port. So all these things are quite good. It still comes with 4000 mAh battery, although 5000 mAh battery would have been great. You have seen like devices like M20 and M2 from Asus doing quite well with that 5000 mAh battery, so that would have been great. But 4000 mAh is not all that bad. It will still last for a full day without any issues. Now next, let's talk about the camera. So on the rear there is a 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel setup. Now this 48 megapixel camera is having a large sensor, which is nice. I mean, it is bigger than most of the sensors that are there even on the flagships, I believe. This is the IMX586 sensor, which is one of the best sensors available currently in the market, and that is there on the Redmi Note 7 Pro, which is a budget device. So that is quite good. It comes with f1.79 aperture, and the other 5 megapixel camera which is present on the back is a depth sensor. So that is also decent. I mean, wide angle lens would have been great, but then this 5 megapixel depth sensor is doing a good job. I have clicked few portrait pictures and few other pictures that you will see right now on the screen. For 48 megapixel shots, you will have to go into the Pro mode, and then you will have to enable the 48 megapixel, and then you will be able to shoot the 48 megapixel pictures. But apart from that, you can click normal pictures if you want to click normal pictures. I mean, a lot of people won't just go into the Pro mode every time to click a picture if they want to quickly click a picture. So yeah, that's there. Here are some of the pictures that I've shot with this device. You can see right now on the screen, these are the pictures that I've shot with the 48 megapixel camera by going into that Pro mode. And apart from that, now I have also shot this video, which is a 4K video, and you can see there is no EIS in 4K, but yeah, that's how it is. Although there is EIS in 1080p video, and you can see that right now on the screen. Now, apart from that, the front camera over here is a 13 megapixel camera, and the front camera is also doing a good job. In the presentation, Anuj said that if two friends are standing close to each other and if there is gap between them, then it will blur out the gap as well. And to be honest, it really happened. Like, we clicked few pictures, you can see right now on the screen, and there is no issues when it comes to like blurring out the gap or even like around my face when I'm clicking individual selfie. So front camera and rear camera both are doing quite a good job in my initial impressions at least. But as always, I will let you know how it is in my full review or camera review, whatever comes. So just stay tuned for that. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Sorry. Let's move ahead. Now let's talk about the specifications and the software part. So it comes with Snapdragon 675, and as I mentioned earlier, it comes with I have not mentioned this, but yeah, it comes with Cryo 460 cores, 2 Cryo 460 gold cores and 6 Cryo 460 silver cores. So total 8 cores, and it is quite a good setup. It comes with Adreno 612 GPU, so gaming performance should be good. And Xiaomi was saying that it can handle PUBG in like highest graphics settings, but I will have to test that out and I will let you know that in a dedicated gaming review if possible. If not, you can like watch it in my full review. So definitely stay tuned for my full review and gaming videos whenever they come. Apart from that, if we talk about the UI or the software, it comes with MIUI 10, which is again nice. I mean, it is the latest with Android Pie, so that is nice, and it has got a lot of features and all that. We will talk about all those features and everything in my full review, but yes, it comes with Android Pie, so that is a nice thing. And it had January security patch, I believe. You can see that right now on the screen. Lastly, there is wideband L1 support on the Redmi Note 7 Pro, as you can see right now. Although I will have to check if there is full HD video playback on the Netflix as well as on the Amazon Prime or not. So stay tuned for my future videos. But for now, yes, there is L1 support. So guys, these were my initial impressions of the Redmi Note 7 Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video about the Redmi Note 7 Pro. If you did, please hit that like button because that will just mean a lot. I have got up like very early in the morning to shoot this video, and somehow like by doing some jugaad, we shot the video. Special thanks to Sumukh from TechPP because he gave us the device to shoot the video at the last moment and he allowed us to click pictures. So shout out to Sumukh from TechPP. You can check their channel out. Link is there in the description box. And shout out to Dhananjay as well because he has helped me a lot in shooting this video, as well as I'm shooting this video, but then he has helped me in shooting the B-roll part and few pictures and all that stuff. So check out his channel as well. Link is there in the description box. Thank you so much, Dhananjay and Sumukh. And that's pretty much it for this video. Give this video a like, as I have already mentioned. Hit that subscribe button, click that bell icon and be a part of AT fam. Make sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram because I'm very active and I will share more updates on those two platforms. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. This is Saurabh Nahar. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.